All right, here's Creality. We're gonna check out their booth. I'm not a big giant fan yet.
Is it a structured blue light scan?
No, it's near infrared.
Okay, got it.
Oh!
Yeah, and also laser.
Can you demo the wireless one?
So this is the P1.
Yeah, that's the one I came to see. What's the price on this? Oh, no price yet?
About 3,000.
I'll wait on eBay.
Yeah. Make an offer on eBay.
Yeah. No Kickstarters to start with, at least to get a discount.
Not anymore.
Damn.
Not anymore. They're a big 3D scanning company now.
Also, I see it has a UV light now. Well, I always had it, but it was not as strong as this one now. So it's collecting the data automatically while you rotate it. Look at this. No tethering at all. Everything's based on the unit that you can send directly to your print after. This is crazy. And he's doing a skull of a T-Rex. And this is a unit I actually came to see because I wasn't a fan of the other one. But this one's perfect, especially if you're building your car parts. You can take this directly to the car, scan it.
Don't need to bring a laptop with you.
Don't need to bring the car, you mean?
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, and the laptop too, yeah. No, when you're gonna run into those, you need to have the reflectors in the bottom wherever you're gonna scan to. Or you could take it off from the software or from the system right there itself.
Nice. Yeah. I've been starting to work with replacement parts, and I imagine that'd be real handy to get accurate.
Yeah, the mechanics are starting to do that for older parts that don't have the parts, and they make them. Now, there's a companies that print them out now. You know, like all these companies, you send out your print, and they'll print it for you metal-wise. But look at that. Now, does it have a built-in AI that'll distinguish the bottom with the actual top, or you have to do everything
manually?
manually?
Scan
The
both
bottom.
sides,
Okay,
and then
okay.
you would merge the two scans together.
Okay.
And does it do a pretty clean job detecting the merge?
It does it automatically.
And you can send it. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's really good. I like it.
I'll show you guys this one real fast.
Oh, this is a cheaper version, huh?
2,700. So not really.
No, it's might as well buy the wireless.
Yeah.
But look how much faster this one is than
Yeah.
wireless.
Well, it's also depending on your GPU too. What does that have running on right now?
Scanning doesn't depend much on GPU or RAM. We're not using too much RAM either, but really it's the processor is significantly better.
Your preference, personally, which one would be your preference?
So personally,
Yeah.
I've already invested into an expensive laptop and upgrading the RAM in the laptop. So I prefer handheld
The
scanners.
tether one? Yeah.
However, I just got my first experience with this one this week. It's
Yeah.
the first time that I've had my hands on it because it's so new. And I think this one will quickly become my favorite. But as of right now, I'm still doing the majority of my scanning on the laptop and tethered to the scanner.
Now, for humans, scanning full body on that one
No
is a
problem.
pretty
This
good
one
thing.
can do full body
Yeah.
very, very fast.
Yeah.
And they have other scanners as well over here that are capable of doing just body scans without doing the laser.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
About $700.
That's not bad. That's more reasonable. But you get your human bodies. But if you're working for engineering, it'll be something like this or something like that. Yeah.
Oh gosh, what I'm thinking is if you find a new part, I mean, going through Amazon and auto listings, and you find a $80 plastic part, that big.
Yeah, instead of making like the mount, like for example, what people do with the parts, they paint the part.
Joy,
You paint the part into the forensic so it can reflect back, so what you want to scan.
Creality.
And I guess you teach the system what to only scan for. So that's what a lot of people are doing. But it's a unique way to. It's pricing, that's the thing. And it's a learning, so we gotta learn.
And I'm really good with mic towers. Like I said, I almost brought them with me. I bring them everywhere.
Yeah, that's going to be an issue right